Tonight we are celebrating our 8th anniversary party.
We're celebrating, I mean, look around, we're having a good time. We have a cool party.
Happy anniversary!
It's a modern coffee, and everybody knows it's the best place to hang out on the beach, especially South Beach.
Good food, good drinks, good people.
Best cocktails, best atmosphere, best music, best people. This is best place to be down here, man.
Segafredo has been popping since the day I've got here.
It's just a great place where people like to hang out.
Perhaps one of the inexpensive lounge in town. We are not taking advantage because the place is full every night. We charge what we believe is fair for us and for the client. And again, we try to give the best products and best service that we can.
People of all ages hanging out, it's just cool.
It's really nice to come here. You see all kind of people and you meet everybody, different cultures.
It is a cool place.
Hip, feeling young.
Very hip, very sexy, very chic.
Man, it's a combination of just like, I guess, energy and just a lot of alcohol.
It's a piece of Italy. Like, once you come off of Lenox, and you need your passport.
Well, you know, you have the international crowd who flocks here.
Italian in the house.
7 years ago, Segafredo was just maybe 3 tables. Now, the place has just exploded.
The best place to hang out in Miami.
Sometimes you drive me crazy. I just want to walk away. Give me space to work it through, and I'll be here to stay. Have faith.
Okay, I'm Graziano Sbroggiò from Segafredo. Please stop watching A3 and come here and join our party at Segafredo. Thank you.